Okay, if you're ready for these simple exercises, grab a band. You want the kind that loops around and you can slide over your knees. But standing exercise is the first one. You're just going to do a chamber kick, standing on one leg, kicking the other leg. You're actually working the standing glute medius, and that's a good thing. And yes, it may throw you off balance a little bit. Don't worry about that. Keep your eyes focused on one point straight ahead of you. Watch how that knee comes up as high as I can, and then maintain the knee, kick from that. You'll feel this in your quadriceps, top of the thigh as well. Great for core. Next, you're going to slide that band over your knees. Start in a squat, if you can. Slight bend of your knees, weight on your heels, and watch that you're maintaining level hips so they're both parallel to the ground. So no wiggling back and forth, no penguin walking, just easy slides across. Shoulders stay parallel to the ground, so do the hips. Moving over and not letting that band draw that second leg in. Your trail leg is working just as hard as your lead leg on both sides. I've got space. I'm doing 5 each way. You could find a hallway, go down 10 to 12 steps and come back. That'd be a set. And you'll feel this tomorrow. You're going to use those glute medial muscles all the way through. Next exercise, band still on, standing on one leg with a knee slightly bent. You're going to lift the back leg away. It's about 45 degrees, not straight out, not directly behind you, but to the side. And then notice the upper body's stable. You're working that glute med, both on the standing leg and on the lifting leg. And by now, you've done it and used it. This is the third exercise. You'll feel it. You'll know where that muscle is. Hold it stable. This, again, is standing core work as much as it's glute work. And core is really shoulders to knees. Now we're coming back to those kicks, but we're doing 2 in a row. A little bit more balance, a little bit more endurance, holding that glute medial muscle, and a lot more core. Good, now notice that's not just gentle, so kick it. Get a little power behind that. Core has to be engaged for you to stand like that. And if you're not quite getting 2 kicks in a row before you fall over or have to put that foot down, that's okay. That's the line where you want to be, where you're doing something, almost doing it. It's a challenge. That's the exercise that you're going to benefit from. Now with the band back around your knees, standing on one leg, you're just going to raise the other knee up. This may slide, the band may slide a little bit on your knee. Don't worry about that. By now, you've used those muscles a lot. You'll feel this. So standing leg is holding on, lots of glute medial work on that one. And then the core is working to stabilize you as you lift that knee against the band. So make sure you're not folding at the top. Nice job. Two to go. You still got it, girl. You can find me and more at flipping50.com.